Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a page in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. First things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can log into our account. So if you have not already, go ahead and create an account that you need to use. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log into your Google account. And once you have done so, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So this is going to be the main page where we can get started creating a new form. As you can see right here, we can take a look at the recent forms we have already created. We can access them and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how we can add a page to your form. Basically, if you want to get started creating a form, what you have to do is click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to create a blank form. By clicking this is going to create your untitled form where you can give it a name, you can give it a description, you can input some questions, and so I have already created my form right here. So as you can see, now this is my form, and now I have my tutorial form for a video with some questions. And let's say I want to add a page or some questions to it. Basically, your forms do not have pages. What you can do is add questions. Once you add enough questions, guys, you will have another page. So you can see you can add a section if you want. This is going to be your section 2, and this is going to count as a page where you can go ahead and get started with adding new descriptions. You can add new questions into your section and so on. So you can transport it into multiple sections so that they can go ahead and manage your multiple sections with different questions, different kinds of questions, and so on. All that is going to be available right here, but basically that's how you can do it. If you're not satisfied, you can delete the section and so on. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.